Hi guys, Mechanic Guru for another video. This time we're working on a Jaguar XF model. So today we're gonna replace the rear camera since I replaced the wiring harness right there, and because the screen was blue, and after replacing it, the camera was working for like 3 or 4 seconds, and after that it just cut off and it reappear, disappear, reappear, disappear. So after that there's a message that's saying like see dealership. So I already diagnosed it, and it needs a rear view camera, the parking aid camera that they call it. So let's jump into it. First you'll need to remove all your luggage trim. So you have multiple push pin, but first you're gonna have this little cap that you just have to pull on it. So it's just clipped there, you pull on it, put it aside. After you get all them push pin, so you want to try the center part first, and when it's done you can remove the entire push pin. So you put them aside, but you don't want to lose them because you have a lot of them. So I'm just gonna do all of them all around, but you also need to remove the cable. So you'll need to remove the little pin in the middle first, and after that you're gonna be able to slide the cable to the side. So you want to just push with your tool in the middle on the little plastic part that seems like a cylinder. So you keep it on the side very well so you don't lose it. So after that you're gonna be able to remove your cable. As you can see, there's a little line here. You want to align the cable with it, and after you'll be able to slide it to the side. So there you go, just like that. So when you want to put it back, you want to put it back in the line, and after that, inside that tiny hole, you want to push your little plastic part that was locking the cable in place, and you can give it a little, oh, too much, a little push with your tool, but no, make it flush with the lever, and it's gonna be good. So now I want to remove it, so I'm just gonna skip the removal part. So there is no lever anymore, so you're good to continue with all the push pin all the way around. So when all of them are removed, you're gonna have access to the luggage lid. So you wanna put this in the trunk or anywhere you won't lose it. Next, you want to remove the little 8mm So as you see, I just removed the 8mm bolt that was going in those holes. So I just removed some nuts also that was near this motherboard, not holding the, I think it's holding the trim on each side. You have a nut, not this one, but this is the good one. Okay, so just put it aside, and then you want to gently pull on the trim. Okay, so there you go. Just unclip it, and if you want to help you inside, you can push it a little bit, and after that you just have to pull the rest. Doing the same thing on the other side. Yeah, so don't forget, like me guys, I was trying to pulling the trim of the lid, and I forgot the bolt. The last one, the 8mm, is in the middle that you cannot see because of the mechanism. So once you remove the last bolt, it should be easier for you to remove the trim. So now you can turn it all the way around, and your camera is there. So you want to unclip it. So if you don't want to do it the hard way like this, you just have to pull your wire there. But first, be careful to not damage anything with you on your phone. But just go disconnect those two connector right there. So you want to press on the tab and just pull, and here the same thing, you want to press on the tab, and then you should be able to remove all the trim in one piece. Just have to pull the little rubber nipple, and there you go, you have it in your hand now. So your camera is right here. Okay, so you have two clips, one on this side and another one on this side. So you want to pop the cap off. You have also two little pin on the side that is going at their place first when you want to put it back. As you can see, they have a little space made for them. So you remove that, and now you have the camera. So you want to slide the camera a little bit from side to side, a little bit up, and then you have it in your hand. You're trying to remove the cable from where it's passing through. But the little tip for this magic tricks is you want to pry on those little guy here. So when you succeed prying on both, you can push on it and just put it aside, so that now your camera rubber can get through. And be removed and also replaced, because this camera was bad. So I hope it helped you guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.